We'll guide you through how to create folders in Gmail, which are actually called labels. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Gmail on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left-hand side of the screen where your navigation panel is. You may need to click on More to see the full list. Scroll down and you'll find an option called Manage Labels, or you might see a Create New Label button at the bottom of the list. Click on Create New Label. A small window will pop up asking you to name your new label. Enter a name that makes sense for the emails you want to organize, like work projects or family. You can also nest this label under an existing one if you want to create a subfolder structure. Just check the box for Nest Label under and choose the appropriate parent label from the drop-down menu. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Create button. Now, your new label will appear on the left navigation panel with your other labels. To move emails into your new label, go back to your inbox and select the emails you want to organize. You can do this by checking the boxes next to each email. Once selected, look for the label icon at the top of your inbox. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the list and select the label you just created. This action will tag the emails with your label and move them into that folder. For quick access, you can drag and drop emails directly into the label on the left-hand side menu. This action instantly organizes your inbox and keeps your emails tidy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.